Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to be drawing this seahorse. Now you can draw along or watch me draw, but if you stay till the end of this tutorial, you're going to find out who this seahorse is talking to. So let's get started. So I have my reference seahorse in the top right corner, and I'm going to start out with a sketch. I'm going to draw the big shapes first, and they're going to serve kind of like a map for where my drawing is going to be. Now I'm going to move on to the outline. And that's usually a part of the process where I don't think too much about what I'm doing. I just relax and have fun. Now your seahorse could look very similar to mine or nothing like mine at all. You just have fun and draw the seahorse that you want. This is just to give you kind of like a little bit of guidance if you don't know where to start. Now I'm moving on to my favorite part of the process, that's the details. That's where the seahorse really can take on a personality. And next we're gonna find out who the seahorse is smiling at. Now those claws look familiar. Turns out it's his friend, the crab. Now you don't have to draw a crab. It could be a fish or another seahorse, whatever you'd like. Don't forget to sign your drawing. There you have it. Thanks for drawing with me.